welcome to the raffle of the winner of Grumblo's Quattro giveaway. The local police officers are here surveilling the raffle, and very soon we are going to pick one winner out of our system. Draw winners. We are now going to raffle the winner of the Audi Quattro. The winner's nickname is superbatman.lk. We are now going to find out if he's a legitimate buyer from the giveaway. Hallota.
Halo, kuuluuko?
No niin, nyt kuuluu. Marteliuksen Markus soittelee Grumblosta, terve.
No terve. Minä vissiin Audi-poitin vai?
No näin pääs käymään, joo. Meinasin vetää vähän höplästä, että olisi vähän niinku hupparitoimituksen kanssa jotain ongelmaa tai muuta, mutta sä arvasit kupletin juonen, eli Audi lähtee Suomussalmelle.
No niin.
Ihan tämmönen virallisuuden nimis kysymys. Tässä on poliisipartio mun vieressä, niin varmistetaan vielä, että oot yli 18-vuotias.
Joo.
Kyllä. Ja et ole minun sukulainen tai töissä meidän firmassa tai mitään muutakaan sääntöjen vastaista.
Ei oo.
Joo. Hei, ihan mahtava homma. Miltäs tuntuu olla klassikko Audin omistaja?
No, kyllä tämä niinku tosi hyvältä tuntuu.
Ja sä olit tehnyt 4 tilausta, niin oli ansaittu voitto, sanoisin.
Joo, minä alakko se Volvo-arvona aika tilailemaan aina.
Joo.
Vaatetta teiltä.
Kyllä. Hyvää työpäivää ja onneksi olkoon vielä.
Joo, kiitoksia.
Yes, se on moro.
Hei.
So, Leevi won this car. It was nice to see that it went to a regular customer who has been buying from us since the Turbo Brick giveaway. And in this campaign he participated with 100 euros. So, medium-sized order was enough this time to win the whole car. But in this campaign we also wanted to reward the people who have purchased the most entries for the giveaway campaign. So, the top 3 are going to be awarded with gift cards, and the one with the most entries is going to get a ride along with me driving Sami Sivonen's Audi R8 GT3 factory race car in Alastaro circuit. So now we will quickly go through who are those top 3 winners who had the most entries in this campaign. So with 651 entries, Kari Koivunen took the 3rd place in this race, and he gets a 100 euro gift card to the Grumblo shop. On 2nd place with 812 entries we have Heikki Salmijärvi. He's going to take home 150 euros of Grumblo gift card. And the winner, Matias Nurmimäki, with 873 entries, is going to get a 200 euro gift card and a ride along with me in the GT3. So congratulations to all of the top 3. And big thank you to everyone who has participated and supported our giveaway campaign. Let us know in the comments what kind of car do you want us to give away next, and we will see you in the next campaign.